What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Di Manriva, and today we're going to be making the Pisco Punch. The Pisco Punch became super famous thanks to Scottish barman Duncan Nicol, who bought San Francisco's Bank Exchange Saloon in 1893 and made it super famous. And despite public prying, and despite all of the fanfare surrounding this drink, he kept it secret until his dying day in 1926, and nobody to this day knows what the actual recipe is. That being said, the recipe that we're doing today is a recipe from PDT legendary barman Jim Mehhan, and it's a recipe that he adapted from David Wondrich's adaptation. I guess David Wondrich had found somebody who had worked with Duncan Nicol and wrote it down or something, and in the pages of some dusty text, and found a recipe that everyone thinks could be a authentic recipe. So that being said, let's get into the cocktail. First thing we're gonna do is 1 ounce of pineapple gum syrup. If you guys don't know what pineapple gum syrup, it is the mixture of pineapple juice, gum arabic, and sugar, and it is also known as pineapple gum. So we're doing 1 ounce of pineapple gum syrup, then ½ an ounce of pineapple juice, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 2 ounces of Pisco, and that is all. We're gonna grab one of these guys. And shake our cocktail after we put ice in it. Oh, Lily, quit it. That was my dog Lily, and now she's getting scolded. I think that you guys love Lily anyway, though, so everyone's always like, oh, I can't wait till Lily's in another episode. Well, Lily's in another episode. And I froze my own spear for this episode. A nice ice spear. And we also got a pineapple spear for a garnish. We're just gonna float that. Oh, I wanted it to be cut thinner. Is my knife? Yeah, my knife is here. I gotta cut it thinner, guys. This is too thick. I'm cutting it thinner. I thought this was gonna fit nicely, and I was wrong. And this is where he cuts his finger off. Just need a thinner pineapple spear. Yeah, there we go. Bam. There it is, a thing of beauty, the Pisco Punch. Let's taste it. Oh. Here's where I'm going to say it. Oh, man. No, I said, oh, man. Oh, yeah. Kind of like Batman. That was good. It's tart. It has the pineapple. It has all the pineapple flavor that is just pairing so well with the acholado pisco that I put in there. I can see why this was so famous. This was one of those very, very famous drinks that people loved back in its day, and people should love it now. It is a wonderful drink, the Pisco Punch.